Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Jupyterlab is running and your environment has a system shell. Once the lab UI loads, look at the left sidebar. Make sure you can see the launcher. You do this because the terminal is launched from the server, so network or service issues block it. If you're starting now, click Launcher or use the File menu. This moves you from passive viewing into an interactive shell session. You open a terminal by clicking Launcher then Terminal. If Launcher is hidden, choose File, right arrow, New right arrow Terminal instead. Once opened, the terminal creates a server-side shell session. This is why you might see your home directory as the prompt. Type pwd to confirm working directory and ls to list files. Make sure to use the correct server environment if you host multiple kernels, because the terminal executes OS commands, not notebook cells. This distinction prevents confusion later. You finish by running necessary commands, cd into project folders, run pip or conda, and remember changes affect the server file system. When done, close the tab or shut down the terminal from the Running Terminals panel to free server resources. If the terminal won't open, make sure the Jupyter server has terminal support enabled and inspect the server log and browser console for WebSocket or permission errors. Often restarting the server or enabling terminal extensions resolves it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.